Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Game's Unreal Engine 4 crashing on startup. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen and click on Library. This will take you to your game collection where we can start troubleshooting the issue. Now, although I don't have Unreal Engine 4 installed on my system, let's pretend that I have this game so I can walk you through the fix. In the left panel where all your games are listed, find Unreal Engine 4, right-click on it and select Properties from the menu that appears. This will open up the game's settings where we can make some important adjustments. In the Properties window, look for the option that says Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game. Right beside it, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and turn this off. The Steam Overlay can sometimes interfere with Unreal Engine 4 games and cause them to crash on startup, so disabling it often resolves the problem. Next, navigate to the Launch Options section. Below it, type in -DX11. This is important because some UE4 games crash when running on DirectX 12, and this command forces the game to use DirectX 11 instead, which is more stable for certain titles. Now, in the left panel, click on Installed Files. Once that section opens, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check if any of the game files are corrupted or missing and automatically repair them. Give it a moment to complete this process as it scans through all the files. If the game still doesn't work after these steps, we'll need to adjust Steam's compatibility settings. Right-click on your Steam shortcut on your desktop and select Properties. In the window that opens, click on the Compatibility tab at the top. Here, check the box beside Run this program as an administrator. Running Steam with administrator privileges can resolve permission issues that might be causing the crash. After checking that box, click Apply first and then click OK to save your changes. Once that's done, restart your PC to ensure all the changes take effect properly. This fresh start allows the system to apply the new settings correctly. Additionally, you need to update your GPU drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are a common cause of Unreal Engine 4 crashes, and keeping them up to date ensures optimal compatibility and performance with demanding games. And that should fix your Unreal Engine 4 crashing issue on Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.